Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add transition to your video in Shotcut whenever you are editing in Shotcut. But yeah, before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. I really appreciate that. Now I don't want to waste any more time. Let's just jump right straight into this. As you can see, I already have my Shotcut open up here. I have this simple video that I just did. So if you play, so you are listening to it, it's just playing. It's just a simple video that I recorded for my previous tutorial. It's just a simple short video that I cut up. So now you want to like edit it, add transition. So let's say when you get to this point, let's just play from here. Now you want to zoom in from here, right? When you say all I want you to do is come to here, so you want to zoom in from there. So you have to cut it. Most people are going to be using maybe mobile phones to view videos, so you want them to be able to see where you are pointing with your mouse, so you have to zoom in from that. So let's cut it from here. Cut it up. Now play it again. Now once you zoom in, you want to scroll to this point, so you want to play it again. Now you want to cut it until, let's say, this point, since you want to zoom in from that point until maybe here. Maybe from till here. So this is the point where you want to zoom in, this point here, from here that you cut up. So whatever you want to zoom in, you have to cut the parts. So make sure you cut the parts from where it starts and then where it ends before you add a transition or before you zoom in. So if you didn't cut it, then you will just be adding transition to the whole video. But you don't want that. You want to add transition just to a particular part. So make sure you cut that part out. So I cut it from here to here. Now let's play that again. So you open that, you cut that. Now once you see that, once you zoom in, now you want to zoom in to this part here, right, to this part where your mouse is, and then you want to now to zoom into this part. So let's go on. Right, so then maybe you can add it to that point until, let's say, just here. Let's just cut it to here. So you are adding transition to this part and then to this part. You are zooming in to different part, right? So to do that, now I'm going to show you how you can actually zoom in, and then I'm going to show you how you can add transition so that it can be a smooth transition from one part to another. So let's zoom into this part, right? So you are in design. Now to zoom in, you arm to filter, and then you want to add a size. Come, just scroll to size and positioning, right? Come that. Now you want to zoom in from here to here, just say here, right, like that. You are zooming in from that part to that. Now if you play, you got that, you zoom in, you jump, and then you jump back down. Now you say you want to zoom in from this part to here, so let's add another zoom in. Let's change filter, add, let's add another size to that, right? So now you want to zoom in to this part so that you can see what you are working with from here. right? So now if you play the whole video, right, it's just jumping. And then he's jumping to the other side, so there is no transition. And then play, just jumping all over the place, there is no transition. So if you were to export this, let's just export and then watch it and see, it's just jumping all over the place working with keyframe. Let's save that and then watch it and see there's no transition. So you want to add transition to this video to add a smooth transition to see it really moving from one place to another, right? So let's just speed this up, right? So now the video is done exporting, right? So let's actually watch it and see how it looks. So come find it to our computer. So we know this is a video right here. We know it started working with keyframes. So let's just play that and see. Now once we open it, see it's just jumping. There's no transition. There's no, and then it moved to this other place again. So there's no transition. You can't really see the movement. It's just jumping up. See, just jumping, right? So that's not good. That's not what you want. You want to add transition. So let's just delete it. We won't be needing it again, right? So let's come back to our shortcut and then let's try actually add transition to this, right? So the first thing that you want to do once you want to zoom in, you have to click on that where you want to add a transition and then come into keyframe, right? So now I want you to come to the edge here, right? And then I want you to click and then drag from inside. This will determine how long of a transition you need, right? And then once you come back to timeline, play it again from here and then see if it's got a transition. See, it's now, you can now see it moving, right? So now you want to do the same thing to this, right, to this part where it zoom to the other side. So now again, keyframe, click on keyframe and then zooming, right? And then that's just zooming in. We are going to come to the zoom out part, so just follow along. So now once you click from here, let's play from the beginning. It's zooming in, and then zoom to the other side, and then at the edge you see it just jump, so it didn't zoom out. So you want to add a zoom out to all the transition. Again, click where you want to add, come to keyframe and then come to the other side and then zoom out, right? Drag in, come to the timeline, click here and then come back to keyframe and then again zoom out, right? Now come back to timeline and then play the whole video and see. Zooming in, that's part. Then you want to zoom back out and then zoom to the other side, right? And then hit zoom out and then it zoom out, that transition right there, right? Perfect. Now let's export this, save this and then let's actually export it and see how it now looks. Okay, so now the video is done exporting, so let's actually watch it. Go to your computer, find it, you know it's this one. So now let's play it and see. See, there's now that smooth transition. It's zooming in and then zooming out and then zooming back to that part. You see that smooth transition there and then move back in, right? See, so yeah, that's how you add transition to your video in Shotcut. Let's just cross this off, then come back. All you have to do is just, everything is just in keyframes. You zoom in and then zoom out. Just make sure you cut the part that you want to add transition to first, because if you didn't cut it and then you just decide to add, you'll just be adding transition to the whole video. but that's not what you want. You want to add transition to a particular part, so cut that part out and then add keyframes to it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.